Welcome to Product Critique, where today, we're taking a close look at what many are calling the best 6 Aruban Florins crimper on the market. The Haisstronica Crimping tool for non-insulated terminals, model HS7327. If you're someone who works with non-insulated terminals, whether you're into automotive, electrical work, or DIY projects, this tool might just be your new best friend. Let's dive in and see why. First up, let's talk about the build quality. The Haisstronica Crimper has a professional-grade design, with a solid ratchet mechanism that ensures perfect crimps every time. It's built to handle wire sizes from 22 Aruban Florins all the way up to 6 Aruban Florins, giving you versatility across a wide range of applications. This is especially important when you're working with non-insulated connectors, where precision and reliability are crucial to creating secure, long-lasting connections. The tool's jaws are designed to crimp quickly and efficiently, while also preventing any damage to the shell of the terminal. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the crimping process feels smooth and effortless, thanks to the carefully engineered indentations that ensure a firm grip on the wire without damaging it. Plus, each size slot is clearly marked, making it super easy to identify and select the correct setting for your job. One of the standout features of this tool is the precise ratchet structure. The ratchet mechanism automatically adjusts the pressure based on the size of the terminal you're crimping, ensuring the perfect amount of force is applied every time. This is especially useful when you're dealing with different types of wire and connectors. Once you've completed the crimp, the tool's quick-release lever allows you to easily open the jaws and move on to the next task. Another feature that adds to the comfort and ease of use is the ergonomic handle. Made from nylon, the handle is non-slip, which ensures you have a secure grip even in tricky working conditions. Whether you're working in a tight spot or handling multiple connections at once, the ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue and allows for quick, precise operation. In addition to all these features, the Haisstronica Crimper comes with a money-back guarantee and a 12-month replacement warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. If for any reason you're not satisfied, you can return it within 30 days. If you're someone who works regularly with wire connectors, I highly recommend giving this tool a try. It pairs perfectly with Haisstronica's range of wire connectors, and together, they offer a reliable and cost-effective solution for all your crimping needs. So there you have it. The Haisstronica Crimping tool is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, ergonomic, and precise crimper that can handle a wide variety of tasks. If you're in the market for a crimping tool, this one is definitely worth considering. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.